Here's our hotel. Look at this fancy Z. Look at our lobby. Smells like Christmas. There's elevators. Pretty nice.
Pretty nice. It's really nice.
Jamie's got her barbecue outfit on.
I matched the restaurant.
Here's a fancy escalator. You got to scan in.
Got to scan in.
Sketchy people can't just come on.
No, you don't want people just busting into your room. Which way does
You
it
got
go?
to scan. Oh. There you go.
So nice people.
Here we go.
You ready?
Yep.
You ready for this?
Yep. Oh, we are the last room.
I know how to do this. I don't know how to open our door. There it is.
Voila, the review. Here's our suite. What else? It is a sweet room. TVs, pull-out couch, a barn door. Let's see, what's the reveal? It's the holy bathroom.
Fridge too. Look at the cute fridge.
Check out the fancy fridge.
It's very cute.
Smeg. Schmeg.
Nice bathroom.
Yeah.
We got robes. We got one in here. We got one in
there's
the
a robe
closet,
here.
So we can wear robes out.
A robe.
Yeah.
I can wear a robe out in public.
Ivy is the brand of our little.
Ooh, Ivy.
Yeah, this one's
Just
so,
like,
oh no, this
just
is
like
Wilson.
left
So
outfield.
they give us some Q-tips too.
Ooh,
which is kinda
Q-tips. Q-tips.
nice. We got our.
What else we
selection
got?
here. We got books in case.
We got books in
you're
case
on
you're,
vacation.
in case you want to read. Oh.
Lots of books. Lots of books. What is that? Oh, they got Thailand. Look at that. Check that out. We got drawers.
Since
we
I'm
haven't
Thai.
put stuff away yet, but I think I'll
Not.
unpack.
Oh. Patio with the Cubs marquee.
Look at that marquee, man. We're only third floor, but it's still a good view. It's still a great view,
Yeah, it's
actually.
a great view. We got a
Yeah.
green roof right here.
I mean, it's November.
We
It's
just
almost
watched
December.
the soccer game.
Yeah, but we went.
USA
in the bar.
won.
Oh, you didn't see our actual bedroom, too. There's still more to our room. It's a big room.
Oh
There's
yeah,
our bedroom.
there's our bed.
We got
A queen
place
size.
to hang our coats. You can open up
We
the
got a
closet.
chair,
Fancy.
oh.
Fancy.
closet. Let's see what's inside the closet. Oh, look at that.
Slippers. We got slippers. I didn't have to bring my slippers. I could have just
We
worn
got
theirs.
slippers. Yeah.
And then we have like a ironing board.
Ironing board. Nice,
Nice
nice.
bed.
I've never seen a hotel with an ironing board.
We
And
got a
then
TV here. We
TV.
got a TV over there. We got a TV over here. We got a
TV,
TV
yeah.
over there.
We can watch the same channel.
Well, Zachary is where we're at, and it's named after the designer of Wrigley Field.
Ooh, oh, I thought
Mm-hmm.
us
I think.
hairstylists with that motion. You
Yeah.
did.
Oh, what's this?
Here's our suite.
They got lights here too.
We got lights.
Lights on
No
your
way.
Thing. I don't know how to.
Only in the
but it's
hotel
okay.
room.
We don't need
Oh,
to. But look at our little seating area. We got a terrarium.
Hardwood floor.
Terrarium on books.
We got a terrarium.
Like the
They use books, fake books as. I don't know.
Chris Kindle Market's dog from
Terrarium.
the cheap. I almost wonder if we should have brought one of the dogs here, but we didn't.
Yeah, we should have. All right, we'll
We'll
get
see you
change
at
and
the
walk
market.
across the street.